Hey guys, what is up? So today I got my package from Home Depot, and it's the Milwaukee M18 fuel combo kit of the hammer drill driver and the impact driver. I got a free battery with it, which is awesome. So we're going to dive into this unboxing video, and I'm going to show you what exactly came in my package. Alright guys, so here's the package. I already took the liberty of opening it up just to make sure that I had everything inside. So this is what it looks like. Let me flip this around for you. This is what it looks like when you get your package. So here's that extra battery that I was talking about. It was an awesome deal. I scored this combo kit for, it was the $500 deal, and it was 26% off. So it came out to about $360 in US currency, which is a sweet deal. So we're going to pop that out. And here's our combo kit. So on the front side, it shows you exactly what you're getting with this. And it has some information about the power and the shorter length and the speed that you get with this equipment.
When we open this, there's a few latches up top. You pop that open, and here's our kit.
Okay, so this is everything that comes in the kit right as you open the box. So we got our handle extension for our hammer drill, which you can attach, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. But here's our hammer drill. Comes with the battery, which is at 1 from factory. Comes with our clip so that we can hang it from our belt. Cool. And here's our impact driver. Came with a free bit, which is awesome. It looks like we can scan to win something. Win a free power tool. So I'm going to cover that up so I can do that. And then with our impact driver, we got 4 different settings, which is sweet. I'll talk about that in a minute. But it as well comes with a bit accessory holder. Very cool. And here's our multi-function charger, so we can do M18 and the M12, which is sweet. So once I start getting into that platform a little bit more, that'll be helpful. And then here's our literature. Looks like that's it. So here it'll talk about everything that we need to know. Well, cool. Now let's dive into each one of these. So first, hands-on experience. It feels like it's a solid, well put together piece of tool. Everything works very nice, it seems like. I'm excited to try out this self-tapping setting that comes on the bottom. But yeah, this whole setup seems very clean and well put together. I'm excited to get more accessories for these tools. There's 3 settings plus the additional settings so that you can do like sheet metal work and stuff like that. So there's those. And then you got your belt loop hook that you can put on your tool bag or on your belt, whatever you choose, whatever. And then here's our little accessory bit holder. Let's see if we can throw this one on. Boom, just like that. So very sweet, so you can just be right there on the job site and just get it done. So here's what the tool looks like. It's pretty short in length. I'm excited to try out these tools. I've never owned the Milwaukee brand or the Fuel brushless system, so I'm excited to try out this. Now let's move on to that hammer drill. So here's the hammer drill. It also feels very ergonomic. I like how the light comes from the bottom right here so that you can actually see when it's projecting up where you're working on. And from what I understand, since this is the Gen 3, all of your functions for your drill, your hammer drill, and then all of your clutch settings are right just on this one twisting mechanism right here, instead of having the double system that they did on the Gen 2. So I'm excited to try that out. And then there's two settings up here on top, so you can go to the 1 or the 2, whatever you prefer. But yeah, let's throw on that handle real quick so you guys can see what it's like. Okay, so I got that handle on it. It's actually pretty easy to put on. That little plastic piece that was protecting it, it's kind of difficult to get off. But I'll show you how this went on. So you twist from the handle, and then there's these 2 pieces that will mount onto the side bracket of the drill, where that drill insignia is. So you just drop it on over, latch it on to those two points of contact, screw it on, and boom, you're ready to go. Yeah, so this whole setup seems pretty sweet. I'm gonna try to get a review out eventually on what I think of this brand and of the Milwaukee Fuel, the M18 line of the impact and drill driver. So thank you guys for watching. I'm excited to test out these tools and see what they're capable of doing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on the M18 Fuel Milwaukee Combo Kit. This is the 2997-22 so that you guys can reference this. And once again, thank you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know how I can improve this channel so that it benefits you more in your life and that you enjoy these videos more. Thank you guys again so much, and have a great day.